My name is Jim. I'm a drug addict. I've battled a serious cocaine dependency problem for basically 14 years. This place has meant a ton to me. It's basically, I consider it saved my life. I'm a white-collar professional. So this was a deep, dark secret for a lot of years. And so just to get to the point where you have no choice but to ask for help and go to your employer and try to get help, that's tough.
Fresh Start is more than a facility. Fresh Start is a movement. And you can feel that, and you can feel it in the men, you can feel it in the people here today. After 5 consecutive years being chosen by Fraser Institute's Donor Awards as one of the top 3 performing addiction treatment agencies in Canada, we were selected in 2010 as the #1 in the country, and again 2011 in the top 3.
I think what really helped me about this place, when I got here, then I felt safe. That you come in with a lot of problems. That you're an addict for 14 years. The wreckage of your life is huge. There's not an aspect of your life that's really running properly.
I haven't met anybody that's entered recovery that isn't spiritually bankrupt. This is our meditation room. We're non-denominational. We encourage everybody to get in touch with that spiritual side of themselves. This is our gymnasium at Fresh Start. We are incredibly grateful to have it. We have the Pure North Synergy Foundation comes in and works with our residents. We have a fitness center. For recreation, we have a games room. One of the things that I love is if you look into the rafters, we have jerseys here hanging. We have 5s on them, we have 10s on them. That's 5 years of sobriety and 10 years of sobriety. This serves as a huge symbol of hope for new residents coming in, for family members, for employers. They see that recovery is actually possible.
But Fresh Start didn't start today. It started many years ago, and it's not going to end after we leave and after the balloons are released and the ribbons are cut. Every day for the rest of our natural lives, people will come through here and their lives will be saved and their families' lives will be touched. And I don't think God made any more important work than that. And I just pay a great tribute to everyone that is involved in this, everyone in our community.
We come together and we understand that the personal success for everyone who lives in our province is a result of the support and the work that we all do together, bringing our strengths, our experiences to the table so that everyone in this province, children, adults, no matter where they live, will be able to excel to the best of their ability.
Everybody deserves healing. We take that stance here. And because of that, the program that we offer for family members is so that they can get the healing that they deserve because their quality of life is now being affected by somebody else's disease. And in doing that, it gives the family a better opportunity to heal together.
It was, on one hand, just this huge relief, and on the other hand, a bit overwhelming. But you just kind of know it's over. Yeah, that's huge.
Thank you for helping us heal families. Thank you for helping us return husbands to their wives, sons to their parents, brothers to their siblings, and fathers to their children. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's just really comforting that, and it's in my life, it's new to have somebody not giving up on